Struggling to track your sales targets in Pipedrive? Learn exactly how to set up goals in under 5 minutes. So here's the thing. You're probably using Pipedrive to manage your deals, maybe your activities too. But without goals, you're essentially flying blind. You don't know if you're ahead of schedule or falling behind until it's too late. That's where this feature becomes your secret weapon. I've spent a lot of time inside Pipedrive, and I can tell you once you get this set up, everything clicks into place. All right, here's the plan. We're going to walk through creating a goal from scratch. We'll cover the entity, the goal type, who it's assigned to, which pipeline, and exactly what metric we're tracking. Sound good? Let's jump in. First, open up Pipedrive. Go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Now, from the left sidebar, click on Insights. This is where all your reporting and analytics live. Once you're inside Insights, look for the plus Create button. It's usually in the top right area. Click that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Goal. Now, just wait a moment for the Add Goal 1 of 2 window to appear. It usually loads pretty quick. All right, here's the first big decision. Choose an entity. You've got 3 options: deal, activity, or forecast. Most people start with deal because that's where the money is. But if you want to track how many calls your team is making, pick activity. Forecast is for future revenue projections. Once you've picked your entity, you need to select a goal type. This changes depending on what you chose. For deals, you might see things like deals won, deals created, or revenue. Pick the one that matches what you want to measure. When you're ready, click Continue. Now, wait for the Add Goal 2 of 2 page to load. This is where we dial in the specifics. First up, select the assignee. Who is this goal for? You can assign it to yourself, a specific person, a team, or even the whole company. If you're a manager, this is how you hold everyone accountable. Next, choose the pipeline. Only the pipelines that are relevant to your goal type will show up here. So if you're tracking won deals, pick the pipeline where those deals live. If applicable, select the stage. Maybe you only want to track deals that reach negotiation stage, for example. If not, you can leave it blank and track the whole pipeline. Now, choose the frequency. How often do you want to measure progress? Weekly is great for short-term hustle. Monthly is better for big-picture revenue targets. Pick what works for your business rhythm. Then, set the duration. This is the date range for your goal. You could do a single month, a quarter, or even a full year. Just pick your start and end dates. And here's the really important part. Select a tracking metric. You've got 2 choices: value or count. Value tracks the monetary amount of your deals. Count tracks the number of deals. If you care about revenue, go with value. If you care about volume, go with count. Now, enter the target value or count. So if you're using value, type in something like $50,000. If count, maybe 20 deals. Make it realistic but challenging. You'll also see an option to enable specify individual period goals. If your goal spans multiple months, this lets you set a different target for each month. Maybe January slow, so you set a lower number. February picks up, so you bump it up. It's totally optional, but it's great for more accurate tracking. Finally, click Save to create the goal. And that's it. You now have a fully functional goal in Pipedrive. You'll see it in your Insights dashboard, and it'll start tracking your progress automatically. No more guessing. No more missed targets because you couldn't see them coming. Just clear, actionable data. If you found this helpful, go ahead and set up your first goal right now. You'll thank yourself later.